Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find factors using the division method. This systematic approach helps you identify all numbers that divide evenly into a given number. We'll cover the fundamental concept of factors and then dive into the step-by-step process. Understanding this method is crucial for various mathematical operations and problem solving. It provides a clear, organized way to break down numbers into their constituent parts, ensuring you don't miss any factors. To begin, take your chosen number and systematically divide it by consecutive whole numbers, starting from 1. If a division yields a whole number with no remainder, then both the number you divided by and the result of that division are factors. Continue this process until your divisor is greater than the square root of the original number, or when you notice factors starting to repeat, indicating you have found all pairs. Let's apply this to find the factors of 36. We start by dividing 36 by 1, which gives 36. Then, 36 divided by 2 is 18. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 5 leaves a remainder. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Since 6 is the square root of 36, we stop. Our factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. To recap, always start your division with 1 and the number itself, as these are always factors. Employ divisibility rules to quickly check for common factors like 2, 3, or 5, saving you time. Organize your factor pairs systematically to ensure you capture every single factor without any omissions. This method provides a reliable and thorough way to understand the building blocks of any number, making factor identification straightforward and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.